This is a CST 300 Pro-Sem lecture. There is a co-requisite of a CST 300 lab. You have to enroll in both. If you don't, let me know after class. I will end the class a little bit earlier to handle some housekeeping issues. Okay, so make sure you're in the right class, CST 300. And my name is Eric Tao, and I wear quite a few hats on campus. And I'm the instructor of this class. Also, I'm the chair of the School of ITCD, which offer the 2 undergraduate program you are in, hopefully one at a time. And also, we offer a few graduate programs. Also, on campus, I direct an Institute for Innovation and Economic Development, which is to help our faculty, students, and local business to grow business and grow innovation. So later on, probably later on this semester, I will let you know what opportunity. To some of you, especially if you want to create your own product or business, there will be a few opportunities throughout the semester and the year. So, well, first I want to share with you a great news about the program you're in. We just got, actually this happened about 3 years ago, but I never was informed until 2 weeks ago. We have a graduate, Jacob Hauser. He graduated 2008. He was a TA here for about a year. Then he joined a little company called LinkedIn in 2009. And because his wonderful education he received here, right there in that seat, the different building, he was a web developer to start, and within 2 years become the chief architect for the website, and he is in charge of the whole interface for LinkedIn. And if you didn't know, LinkedIn went public about a year ago. So our university donation people are after him now. Now he's internally called a high capacity alumni. And I hope every one of you, or some of you, will have the opportunity. So the program you are enrolled in is a great program. And the program is way beyond just learning how to use Photoshop or how to connect wire. Through a lot of our process, presentation, collaboration, problem solving, definitely a lot of technical class, you will have a chance, opportunity to excel in the industry. So I want to give you that good news. And hopefully, Jacob will give us, I don't know, I have to find out, some donation that we can make our new building better. The next building on campus will be, we call it BIT building, the Business and Information Technology, will be right, let me see, there. It will be a wonderful building, and I think some of you, my hope is that none of you will see the building because it will take 3 years. Some of you will see the building. You can stay here for 3 years. Okay, so this CST 300 is we call a gateway to the 2-degree programs, the computer science and information technology, and the other one is communication design. And today, the agenda is this. Okay. So I will, boy, we have 100 students. But that's good news. Well, let me finish the other good news. So not only we have one student, I just informed he's doing great. Over the last year or so, I have more company calling us for our graduate than we have graduates. Yay. So, which means 2 things. One is there are wonderful opportunity out there. Second is that there is a reason we don't have that many graduates. It's not the easiest discipline on campus. Okay. So if you are in 201 media tools, or you are in a programming class, for example, 231, make sure you do well. If you don't do well in those 2 classes, you might want to consider, I don't want to name, you might want to consider that, you might want to change your study habit or work habit, because it's a high-paying job, a lot of opportunity. The reason why it's a high-paying job and a lot of opportunity because few people can do it. So make sure that if you decide to stay in this discipline, you want to put in your time and effort into your class. But it is a great opportunity. So I'm going to ask each one of you, give us like 10 to 20 seconds, very quick introduction to talk to us about your name, major, your concentration if you already decided in that major or emphasis in that major. Where's your hometown? And maybe a sentence or two, why do you choose seizure? And then I will introduce myself and the TA. We'll go through, it'll take about 20 minutes to go through detail of the syllabus. Then I want to talk to you, probably more than 10 minutes, about 15 minutes. Why do we have this class? You know, a lot of students don't know why we have a ProSem. Is it another group you have to go through? There's some value to most of you, maybe not to all of you. Then I will tell you that this, if you do some basic work, this will be the easiest class you have in the CST, in both CSIT or CT curriculum. So take the chance to get an A. And we'll talk a little bit brainstorming with you now you're going to the major classes. What does it take to be successful there? Then I want to show you the list of ITCD faculty members and staff and the website. Just give you a very basic idea of what's being offered. Then we will do. Then I will ask you, how do we group here? Toward the middle and at the end of the semester, we have 2 projects we do in the group. Okay, so we have a few methodology. I want you to decide: do we want to be put into a very diverse group? Or you want to be grouped with your people with the same emphasis, or you want to be random? Okay, I will tell you why which one is better or not. Then we have at the end we have about 10 minutes for answer question. I will end this class a little bit earlier, maybe about 1:30. So we have about 10-15 minutes for students have administrative questions can you stay. Is that okay? Good start from, I always give the opportunity to people stay in the back, the first opportunity to speak up. So why don't we start from over there? Can you stand up and just tell us a little bit about yourself? Go. Project your voice.
My name is Steven Gatica. I am a CE major with an emphasis in interactive media and a minor in computer science. I was born here in Monterey. My family's from South America, Argentina, and I like the color green.
Of course, he's been here for a while. There is a great opportunity for the computer science student to take the CD as a minor and vice versa. Okay, or you could take a business minor if you are in CD or to do marketing. Statistically, people having double major have about 20% higher income than people have single major. Okay, so that's a good investment. But the best return is if you have a major and a minor. Statistically, a major and minor will boost you 15%. But the investment into a minor is a lot less. It's about 1 semester extra. Double major may take you at least a year, sometimes a year and a half. So that's a good package. Some of our students are successful in the industry because they know, for example, the hard software engineering, but they also know how to present the user interface so people can actually use the software. And vice versa, people can, on the CD side, people can put a wonderful, visually very attractive website, but they also know the scripting and database, how to make that website function. So there is a strong reason we combine these two. And you want to take the opportunity to know and to take a few classes across that boundary. Okay, we'll start from the second row from here.
I'm Jeremy.
Don't worry, we'll come back to you. Now my question to you is that, is it important to know your classmates?
Yes.
Yes, but why?
So that you guys can collaborate and get some stuff done, some assignments.
Yeah, collaboration is important. Some people choose the computing related career so they can get away from people, but it won't work well. It's a successful one. Probably doesn't matter which field you are in, unless you are, say, a creative writer. You need to work with people. You really need to work with people. The reason why a lot of our graduates are successful out there is that they know how to collaborate with people, especially people not in their own discipline. So in 1986, Harvard University did a research. They look at about 1,600 of their students and graduates. And Harvard is a pretty selective school, so the students study hard. But they analyze their time to graduate and their success. They look at all the different factors, the height, what kind of food they eat, what kind of parents they have. There are many, many reasons, but the one factor singled out for student success in the university is that can they join their social life with their study? Okay? So if your friends are the people that you study with and you go out for, have a beer or have a coffee with them, you talk about computer security, wonderful web design, that is one single most important factor to make you a lot more successful on the campus. So I will talk about my experience when I would go through the study, but keep that in mind. We are going to make you work with a team of students, and you also really want to open your own and try to know more of your classmates, because it's crucial. Okay? No class will teach you how to collaborate, because it's not something you can actually teach, it's something you can learn. We try to arrange different opportunity for you to do that. So when you look across the room in this class or other classes, you want to think about, maybe she or him maybe will be a partner, okay, in my project, in my capstone, in my career. And sometimes people find their spouse in college. Don't overlook that. Okay. So I want to make sure that you understand knowing a core group of friends is crucial, not only as a study, but as part of your career. So keep that in mind. Have a question?
Yeah, I would like to add that when I look around the size of